Hello everyone, my name is Luthfi Farras, and I'm an information system student at BINUS University Online. And I also work in the General Affairs and Procurement of an aviation company. First, let me start with something that happened in my office. A few weeks ago, I had a compare 5 vendor quotation and summarize all the differences. That kind of work used to take me a whole afternoon. And this time it only took me about 20 minutes because an artificial intelligence tool made me the first draft and I just checked and corrected it. And honestly, my first feeling was not happiness. It was a little bit of fear. And this is why today I want to talk about the future of artificial intelligence and answer one question. Is it a challenge or is it an opportunity? I will divide my presentation into 3 parts. First, where I think AI is going. Second, the challenges it brings. And third, the opportunities and my own position. Let's begin the first part. In my opinion, the biggest change in the next 5 years is not that AI becomes smarter, it is that AI becomes normal. Today, we still open a separate application to use it. Soon, it will simply be inside tools we already use every day, like our emails, spreadsheets, and our company systems. The second change is that AI will move from answering to doing. Right now, it gives us suggestions. In the future, it will finish whole tasks by itself, checking documents, arranging schedule, or even reading aircraft maintenance data and telling us which part needs attention before it breaks. That brings me to the second part, which is the challenges. The first challenge is jobs. I do not believe AI will delete every job, but it will change what a job means. Repetitive work such as data entry, basic reporting, and simple administration will be affected first. For a country like Indonesia, where many people work in exactly those positions, this is a serious issue. The second challenge is dependency. When a machine always gives an answer, we can stop thinking. As a student, I see this every day. It is very easy to accept an answer without checking whether it is actually correct. And the third challenge is trust. AI can provide fake photos, fake voices, and even information that sounds confident, but this is actually completely wrong. Once we no longer tell what is real, that becomes a problem for everyone. Now, the third part is the opportunities. The first, AI removes the boring part of the work, which is in my division. The real value of my job is not typing a comparison table, but is actually the choosing the right vendor and making the company doesn't lose money. AI takes the typing and gives me back the time for the thinking. Second, new professions are appearing. Uh, Prompt engineering, AI ethics, data governance. None of these positions existed when I finished high school. Even in my own division, the question people ask is no longer only how to operate the system, but how to use AI to work faster with it. So here's my position. Artificial intelligence is not automatically a challenge, but it is and it is not automatically an opportunity. It becomes a challenge for the people who ignore it, and it becomes an opportunity for people who learn how to work with it. So, to summarize, I have shared three things today. First, AI will become normal and it will start doing tasks, not only answering questions. Second, the real challenges are jobs, dependency, and trust. And the third, the opportunities are more time for meaningful work and completely new professions. My message is simple. Instead of asking whether AI will replace us, I think the better question is, what are we learning today? So that it doesn't have to. That's all for me. Thank you so much for your attention.